Hi there, welcome again to my channel. Today our topic is about English 10 Quarter 2 Module 3 entitled Argumentative Essay, Writing It Right. Alright, under Lesson 1, Taking Sides, Affirming and Negating. In this module, this is what you are going to do. You will learn to use words and expressions to affirm or negate. Specifically, you are expected to use adverbs of negation and affirmation and affirm or negate a given statement or situation. Now, under what I know in your module, Task 1, affirm or negate. Here is direction. Each sentence below has an adverb of affirmation or negation. Identify the adverb and tell whether it is used to affirm or negate. The first one is done for you. Do this in your activity notebook. Number 1. She could hardly find any answer to the query. Answer? Hardly. It is under negate. This is the given. Now, number 2. The island is scarcely visited by tourists these days. Answer? Scarcely. It is negate. Number 3. You will surely receive rewards for your good work. Answer? Surely. That is affirm. Number 4. There is no available COVID-19 vaccine as of this time. Answer? No. This negate. Number 5. That is exactly what we expect from you. Answer? Exactly. That is affirm. Now, under what's new in your module? Here's direction. Read the portion of John's interview with Dave presented in the box and answer the questions that follow. Do this in your activity notebook. Now, from John. Do you think cyberbullying will become more rampant as online classes become part of the new normal? Dave said, cases of cyberbullying will definitely increase as more and more students will be using the social media for information and communication. From John, does that mean online learning should be discouraged? From Dave, no, that's not the solution. Online learning has to continue, but students, parents, and teachers should be taught how to prevent and manage cyberbullying cases. Now, question number 1. What word did Dave use to express affirmation to John's questions? Alright. Answer? Definitely. Okay, number 2. What words did Dave use to express negation to John's second question? Answers? No and not. Okay. Next, number 3. Try to answer John's 2 questions. The first question of John is, do you think cyberbullying will become more rampant as online classes become part of the new normal? Now, by the way, you should be prepared with your notes because there is no answer in your module with this question. You need to pause the video for a while and then copy the answer here. Yes, I think so. As in normal situation, there will be some students who enjoy bullying weak classmates. Another question by John. Does that mean online learning should be discouraged? Answer? I don't think so. Education should continue even if cyberbullying is rampant. Now, under what is it in your module? Task 3. Agree or disagree? Adverb of affirmation. When you say that something is true, like agreeing with someone's idea, you express affirmation. To express affirmation, you can use an adverb of affirmation. Example, definitely. Cases of cyberbullying will definitely increase as more and more students will be using the social media for information and communication. Now, the word definitely affirms the listener that the speaker believes that cyberbullying cases will increase. Definitely is therefore an adverb of affirmation. Now, adverb of negation. Negation is simply the opposite of affirmation. When you say that something is not true, like disagreeing with someone's idea, you are negating, and you can use an adverb of negation. Example, no, not. No, that is not the solution. Words no and not are used to negate to an idea. When we say negate, that means contradiction. It is against or opposed to an idea. They are examples of adverbs of negation. Now, here's another activity. Directions. Write affirm if the word or statement is used to affirm an idea, and negate if it is used to negate an idea. You are going to write your answers in your activity notebook. Number 1, absolute. This is affirm. Truly, affirm. No, negate. Hardly, negate. Really, affirm. Surely, affirm. Contradictorily, negate. Yes, affirm. Nowhere, negate. Scarcely, negate. Definitely, affirm. Exactly, affirm. Obviously, affirm. Sure, affirm. Verily, affirm. Undoubtedly, affirm. Certainly, affirm. Not or words ending in apostrophe T, such as heaven, negate. Clearly, affirm. Doubtlessly, affirm. Never, negate. Positively, affirm. Rarely, negate. Nothing, negate. Not at all, negate. By all means, affirm. That's right, affirm. That is indeed great, affirm. No doubt about it, affirm. Pardon me, but negate. I respect you for that, but negate. That is absolutely right, affirm. Maybe you're right, but negate. Definitely, affirm. Certainly, affirm. I understand that, however, negate. I have nothing against it, affirm. I'm sorry, but negate. Yes, you're right, affirm. That is absolutely correct, affirm. Alright, now, under what's more in your module? Task 4, yes or no. Directions. Choose the appropriate answer to complete each sentence. Write the letter of your answer in your activity notebook. Okay, adverbs of affirmation. It was blank, a heroic act to serve as a medical frontliner. A, definitely. B, never. C, not. D, not at all. The correct answer here is A, definitely. Number 2. Nelson Mandela is blank, the most prominent personality for equality rights in African nations. A, almost. B, certainly. C, never. D, rarely. The correct answer here is B, certainly. Number 3. After the presentation, the teachers are blank going to their classes. A, also. B, never. C, not. D, surely. The correct answer is surely. Number 4. China will blank emerge as the world's largest economy in a few years. A, may. B, never. C, not. D, undoubtedly. The correct answer is option D, undoubtedly. Number 5. I will give you points for this as promised. A, never ever. B, no. C, yes. D, today. The correct answer is yes. Number 6. Rico blank have a car, so we go together. A, also. B, certainly. C. Definitely. D. Doesn't. The correct answer is option B. Certainly. Number 7. Approaching cars were blank, visible because of the storm. A. Clearly. B. Exactly. C. Rarely. D. Surely. The correct answer is C. Rarely. Number 8. The old man has blank eaten anything at all, so his health is deteriorating. A. Absolutely. B. Evidently. C. Never. D. Truly. The correct answer is option C. Never. Number 9. During the lockdown, a single person was seen on that street. A. Many. B. Not. C. Nothing. D. Nowhere. The correct answer is option B. Not. Number 10. Wild mushrooms are blank available at this time of the year. A. Always. B. Rarely. C. Surely. D. Verily. The correct answer is option B. Rarely. Now, I hope you have learned something in this video. Thank you very much for watching. See you again.